Hi, Laura Handke here, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn spotlighting how some of my contacts are using their voice in the world. And today I wanted to talk about Ashley-Ann Pereira. Now, Ashley-Ann was recommended by one of my previous spotlights, Kwesi Millington, who lives in Ontario, Canada. But you know what? I would have gotten around to mentioning her anyway because Ashley-Ann is a writing and book coach who single-handedly inspired me to write my most recent book called How Abella Found Her Voice. Ashley-Ann calls herself a book brand coach at the Studio Press who helps coaches write books that make an impact and tell their story. Now, as I said, she's the one who inspired me to write my most recent book after I heard a presentation that she gave. And I'm a member of her author circle, which is a group on Facebook. And I can tell you that she provides so much valuable inspiration and support for people who want to write their books. And that doesn't matter if you're someone who maybe your first book is starting to bubble up inside of you, or you're like me where this is your fourth book. And she inspired me to write something that was in my area of expertise. So I strongly encourage you to check out Ashley-Ann Pereira, check out her Author Circle group on Facebook, or find her right here on LinkedIn. You won't regret it. Thanks for joining me for this little message. Again, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice coach, and you can find How Abella Found Her Voice, which is a 35-page ebook with supporting vocal technique videos at laurahandke.com.